So guys, today I want to show you how to use this is a pipe wrench. Adjustable guys, you can adjust. See guys, and you can close. So guys, today in today's video I just want to discuss, to teach or to learn about how this fire extinguisher operates. So I know people always see this handle. So guys, this is the handle. We have the gauge. Inside the gauge we have this is just the bevel. Inside we have the gauge. So the gauge has to stand on this green arrow. So guys, today I just want to dismantle this head valve so that you can see what is inside when you press. This is the speed when you press the handle. What happened, so that the mechanism that is used inside, so that the powder can be released through the nozzle here, discharge nozzle. So guys, watch until the end so that you can see what is inside guys. So guys, also you can comment at comment section, share with me what you need or what you expect that I will be talking about the next video. You can guide me guys, so that also I can talk about. I'll be going through the comment section to see what you need that I can talk about in the next video. So guys, subscribe, comment, then like, then you can share to your friends. So watch, continue watching guys. So guys, this is the gauge. As you see, it is reading 0. It has no pressure. So I just want to share with you. Today is practical. You will see what is inside. So first, let me open the gauge and see. Amazing guys, this is the gauge. guys what is inside. Spring and speedo. See guys. Also have the rubber. See this is the O-ring guys. So guys, what is this? Anybody to answer me, guys? So guys, this is the cartridge. I think you know those extinguishers, the old model extinguishers. This is what the operation inside the extinguisher is. See this gadget, this is cartridge. This is the cartridge guys. Today guys I have different types of fire accessories. So guys, this is the discharge horn for CO2 kg. So guys, see, it has even the adjustable. See, this is the CO2. So I want to
currents.
So guys, this is 2 kg dry powder extinguisher. It's the best extinguisher if you have vehicle. Personal best extinguisher. So what we normally do at annual routine servicing this extinguisher. So guys, first you check the inspection sticker, you update the dates, check the gauge if it's reading, if it is at green, lubricate the head valve, e.g. the releasing valve and the handle, to avoid rust. So check the safety pin and the seal. Then also you can check the content by turning the extinguisher upside down. If you have a mallet, you can hit. This helps to see whether the dry powder content is contaminated. When you shake it, if you see it moving up and down, then it is fine. Also, the lastly, you can weigh the weight using the scale. You see guys, I am weighing the weight. So guys, this is the funnel. When you want to refill a foam type fire extinguisher, first you need to have this funnel. Just insert here, then you refill the content. Maybe for example, this is the foam. Now you just refill it. You mix you just measure 2 liters of foam. You pour inside the cylinder, foam cylinder. You mix with 7 liters of water. In total come 9 liters. So
it's a type of CO2.
So when you are refilling the fire extinguisher, a foam type, you need to have this funnel so that you can use this measurement. See the measurement, guys. This is 2 liters, so you need to measure. You need to measure 2 liters. This. Guys, hope you have enjoyed our today's lesson. Let's meet in the next video. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my videos. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that red button so that when I upload videos, you will be the first person to watch. So thank you guys. Also, you can comment at comment section. Maybe the next video, what you will be expecting to talk about, or what you need, so that I can arrange myself and bring the video about the topic you want. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel. We are now 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Let's continue subscribing. We are road to 4,000 guys. Just subscribe. Hope you are showing love. Continue subscribing guys. So see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.